Hello friends, in this video we will study about the electronic configuration. Electronic configuration is the systematic arrangement or the distribution of the electron into the various orbitals of an atom of any element. This electronic configuration of the electrons is governed by three rules, that is Apu-Bow principle, Pauli's exclusion rule and Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity. According to Apu-Bow principle, these orbitals are arranged according to their increasing order of the energy level. Now how to arrange this orbital according to the increasing order of energy level? So you can draw such type of the diagram on one side of the paper where you want to write the electronic configuration or in rough for your reference, and then you can determine the order, or another way is there where you can just keep in mind this order. Like this one, you can arrange this like 6S, then 6P, then 6D and then 7S. You can make it in the triangular way, and when you are deciding, just to pass the arrows like this one to this arranged atomic orbital, and then you start moving. From the 1s atomic orbital, and you can write the order, that is 1s, after that 1s, then 2s, then after 2s when you move, that is 2p, less than, after 2p there is 3s, then after 3s when you move there is 3p, after 3p there will be 4s, and like this you can arrange the increasing order of energy of the atomic orbital. This is what according to Apu-Bow principle. Now Pauli's exclusion rule. According to this Pauli's exclusion rule, it is impossible for any two electron of an atom to have the set of four quantum number identical. In other words, we can say in one orbital maximum two electron can be placed with opposite spin. Now what do you mean opposite spin? So in any orbital the electron can be placed in the way upward spin, downward spin, or it can be placed in the way, that is first I have taken here upward, afterwards downward. So first here I will take upward and then downward. In this way only it can be placed. If you place the electron both parallel spin, either upward or the downward direction, then this one will be wrong, this is only the right. This is according to the Pauli's exclusion rule. Then third rule is there, that is Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity. Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity. According to this rule, it is stated as the pairation of electron in the set of degenerate orbital. Degenerate orbital, it means that the set of orbital like P, D or F, this orbital, pairation of the electron in degenerate orbital do not take place till the set of this orbital filled with single electron. For example, if we consider 3 electrons, we have to fill in p orbital. So electron should be filled, one in px, then another in py, and third one in pz atomic orbital. This is the correct way. Suppose if you fill px2 and py1 and pz0, so this is the wrong according to Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity. Let us see some of the example. How to write the electronic configuration? Very basic thing is there. While writing electronic configuration, it should be represented by the by this way. Now what is this? This is the principal quantum number, that is the shell, main shell. This will give you the idea about the subshell, and power x, this one is the number of electrons. Okay, so if we follow this, let us see how to write the electronic configuration. We will begin with hydrogen with 1 electron in its atom. So first, according to above principle, first cell should be filled, that is 1s. So 1s1. This is the electronic configuration of hydrogen. Then helium with 2 electrons, 2s2. Maximum accommodation capacity, that is over, and that's why suppose if I write the electronic configuration for lithium, this is 1s1. Then first 1s2. Now 2 electrons are already filled. Now third electron will go into next higher orbit, that is 2s, and that's why 2s. Now 2 electrons are already filled. Now in 2s orbital 1 electron will be filled. This can be also written as 1s2. Now here you see 1s2 is the electronic configuration of helium. So generally it can be written in the form of noble gas configuration, helium, then 2s1. This way also it can be written. Okay. Now if I take the case of nitrogen with 7 electron, just we write the electronic configuration starting with 1s to 1s 2 electron, then 2s maximum. How many electron? 2 electron. How many electron filled now? 2 plus 2, 4 electrons are filled. Now next 3 electrons are left, that will go in the 2p atomic orbital. So actually 2p3, but this can be written as 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, 2py1 and 2pz1. This is what the correct way of writing the electronic configuration. Suppose if you write this configuration in the way 1s2, 2s2, 2px2, 2py1 and 2pz0, then this one violates the third rule, Moore's rule of maximum multiplicity, and this will be the wrong way of writing electronic configuration. I hope you understand this. Some more example we can take, but if we continue this one, then there will be the length of video will be more, and that's why I will stop here. More detail we will see in the next video. Thank you.